Alright, so I picked up a tablet when I was at the house. Or got a tablet from the house, I should say. And I'm going to see first if I can get a damn angle on this thing. It isn't atrocious. There we go. And I need to, well, I don't need to, I want to. I'm going to see how this thing records. I'm going to play to a backing track. I'm going to have the backing track playing on my phone, my guitar going through the laptop, and my tablet recording. And it sounds complicated as hell, and it is. But I need to see if the tablet will pick up both the... this thing don't have a low light filter worth a damn. Well, I'll worry about that later. I want to see if this thing will pick up the backing track and the guitar and overlay them without sounding like ass. So, let's find out. Now, we're gonna play that back, see how it sounds, and then upload the damn thing.